Hello, my name is Abrasito Yuda Dirgantara, NPM 21144600240. Okay, a national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. Insinyur Soekarno. Insinyur Soekarno was one of the people who was instrumental in establishing the unitary state of the Republic Indonesia. As a suffragan state, Insinyur Soekarno was born in Blitar, East Java in the June 6, 1901 and died in Jakarta on June 12, 1974. Insinyur Soekarno drafts the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadashi. Maida with Bung Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo, he then signed the text of the proclamation on behalf of Indonesian with Bung Hatta. Insinyur Soekarno read the text of the proclamation of Indonesian independence at his residence at Jalan Pegangsaan Timur nomor 56 Jakarta. Next, number 2, Muhammad Hatta. Dr. Haji Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12, 1902. He died in Jakarta on March 14, 1980 at the of 77 tahun. Hatta completed the text of the proclamation with Insinyur Soekarno and Mr. Muhammad Subarjo. He second signed the text of the proclamation on the life of Indonesian with Insinyur Soekarno. Muhammad Hatta was the first vice president of Indonesia. Next, number 3, Ahmad Subarjo. Ahmad Subarjo in Indonesian First Minister of Region Affairs. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group will played of the Spring Bell, the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Ahmad Subarjo, participants of the completing the convert of the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadashi Maida with Bung Karno at Bung Hatta. Next, number 4, Admiral Tadashi Maida. Admiral Tadashi Maida was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He was born in Kajiti, Kagoshima, Japan on March 3, 1998. He died on December 13, 1977. He helped Indonesian prepare text of the proclamation of Indonesian independence by inviting these improved figures to this house and leading the use it for very improvised activities. In his horse gathering national figures of great merit, even though he is Japanese. He is willing to help Indonesian of the sympathy of the Indonesian people. Next, number 5, Sukami. Sukami was a young leader and a hero who was president against the invaders. Sukarni proposed Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to sign the proclamation text to help to Indonesia. Number 6, Fatmawati. Fatmawati was the real name is Fatima. In the real life is the Insinyur Soekarno. We have born in the Bengkulu on February 5, 1923 and died on the May 14, 1980 in Jakarta. It was Fatmawati who swayed is the white flag in the hoisted at the proclamation of Indonesia Independent of Jalan Pegangsaan Timur nomor 56 Jakarta. Next, number 7, Sayuti Melik. Sayuti Melik is a youth figure of the ALS, very important in the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Sayuti Melik typed the text of the proclamation to template. It from Bung Karno handwriting the text of the proclamation was originally handwritten is the Soekarno. Then typed by Sayuti Melik to make it look neat. The original text in the tomorrow in the trust. There was one young and was expression and the proclamation of Indonesian independence, namely BM Dia. And last, number 8, BM Dia. BM Dia look at the original manuscript of the trust and the keep in the house. Constant that in the house high history. BM Dia description to the keep original manuscript was very crisp. 3/4 the country Indonesian have been able to enjoy the original text in the proclamation and have glimpses of the from what happiness of the time. Thank you.